Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Pilot EXL 3.5 liter V6 all-wheel drive. As you can see, super clean, just like brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and put this hood down, take you for a tour. I love these Hondas because they run and run and run. And these LED headlights are not really flickering, it's just a refresh rate on the camera, so to the human eye, they do not flicker. This one does have alloy wheels and a power liftgate. And a third row. Go ahead and put this down. Take you for a tour of the interior. There's a black leather interior. There's that back seat, middle seat. This one does have an entertainment package back here. Now it's saying that it has no disc. And this also comes equipped with the back window shades. Super convenient. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Here are your driver presets. The driver's seat. Here's your econ setting. Your blind spot monitor and lane drift sensor. As you come over here, you'll see that you have only 428 miles on this vehicle. That is absolutely amazing. Come over here, and here's your infotainment and trip computer settings. So you can also do the push to talk, cruise control. And come over here, you have your navigation. You got your phone, AM, FM, Bluetooth. You got your settings, of which you got your backup camera. I can just go ahead and put it in reverse and show you that. Super nice backup camera, really easy to see. Okay, come down here and you have your comfort controls. And right now we have that on. You also have your heated seats for driver or passenger side. And then you have your Blu-ray drive right here. Come down and you've got your power, cup holders, shifter, terrain selector. Come down here, you've got your key fob and additional stowage and power. And come up above and you see your map reading lights as usual, and then you have your sunroof. So this Honda Pilot is super nice. That wraps it up for it. This particular one does have a branded title. There was no structural damage reported by Carfax, but there was an airbag deployment. The damage was here on the front passenger side, the rear passenger side, and also the rear driver's side. So you can see we've gotten it all fixed up. Has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.